What's up everyone, and welcome to Jayconomics. My name is Jay and it's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we take a look at anything related to finance with a strong focus on investing. So if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, then please consider subscribing and liking this video to help me on my quest to befriend the big, bad YouTube algorithm. What's up everyone, and welcome back to Jayconomics. This past week has been complete insanity for the channel, with a few videos racking up the views. As a result, we've grown from 6,000 subscribers to over 16,000 subscribers in just 5 days. It's been a wild ride, and I just want to take the time to thank you for all the outpouring of support and love that you have shown the channel. It's really appreciated, and I'm looking forward to continuing making these videos for you and offering as much value as I can. Today we're covering a new company that I'll be introducing onto the channel. Now this is a company that I've been researching all week, and I'm really excited to share what I've discovered. Now before we get into it, anyone who isn't currently part of the Smart Money Squad on our Discord server, you should go join right now. There's lots of good dialogue, over 1,600 members in there. The link is in the description below. It's free to join. We're also on Instagram as well, so hit us up at Jayconomics with a follow on IG. We'll be sharing videos there as well. So make that thumbs up turn blue and subscribe if you're new. It really does help the channel grow. And now without further ado, let's get into the video. So this company has a very strong tie to Fans Unite, a channel favorite since we've been covering it for a few weeks now. Fans was at one time up over 200% from when I first recommended it a few weeks back. This company also has a hand in telehealth and has some really great things coming up in the pipeline, and on Friday closed at a mere 38.5 cents Canadian. That company is victorysquaretechnologies, ticker symbol VST on the CSE and ticker VSQTF on the OTC markets. Now these guys incubate and finance top technology entrepreneurs from all over the world. So what they try and do is find innovative, disruptive, tech-driven startups in industries such as mobile gaming, sports betting, AR and VR, fintech, health tech, insurance tech, blockchain, and AI, for example. Once they've locked in on a company that they like, they invest in them very early and then help them scale quickly and efficiently. Their portfolio is absolutely stacked with raw potential in these next era tech sectors of the global economy. Now, one of their success stories is Fans Unite. Fans was acquired by VST in 2015 for $2 million in stock. Victory Square worked with them hand in hand for 3 years, providing the training wheels essentially, I guess you can say, the resources to help them scale quickly and efficiently. Now, during this time, VST raised $12 million for Fans, and with this cash, Fans was then able to go ahead and acquire companies like Ascot and McBookie, huge acquisitions in the Fans ecosystem. Now, after the dilution, VST owns about 6% of Fans Unite today. Now keep in mind, Fans had an insane run-up these past few weeks, and this will all reflect extremely positively on VST's balance sheet in the next earnings. That $2 million in stock is now worth significantly more. So in essence, VST helps grow these promising companies quickly and efficiently. Then, once they've pretty much done everything they can do for said company, they can either operate it themselves, sell it privately, or have it IPO basically like Fans. Now let's take a look at a few of the other intriguing companies that I've identified in their portfolio, which VST owns 100% of currently. So the first company that really caught my eye is Immersive Tech AR. Now think Imagine AR, ticker IP, very similar concept, definitely bullish on this next tech industry. So yeah, what they do is they build experiences for corporate clients. Now they got clients including Capital One, Snickers, among others. By the way, Immersive Tech is aiming for a direct listing in Q1 of 2021 tentatively, so keep an eye out for that. They also own a company called V2 Gaming, which is a mobile gaming project that will also be going public in Q1 of 2021 tentatively. Now, this company, V2 Gaming, they've had hit games like Pac-Man Bounce, which got over 20 million downloads, and Pacific Rim, to name a few. Now, this is just a few of the companies in their portfolio, but if you want to see the rest, check out their website and read about the other companies. Very impressive stuff, very exciting. Now let's shift gears toward healthcare. So first up is VictorysquareHealth, and this segment of the business compares to companies like Sona and Abbott, for example. Now what they've done is they've developed a 15-minute test for the Rona, and so this is quite exciting as an investor because even if a vaccine comes out, that doesn't automatically take away the need for testing. It's funny, people make me laugh. Speculative vaccine news equals the death of telehealth, the death of testing, and everything is just back to normal magically. That's just not the case. Now, if we take a look at the VST stock chart over here, you'll notice that on August 25th, this thing went absolutely parabolic, going from 14 cents at the time to 89 cents. And this is because on August 25th, VictorysquareHealth received US FDA permission to commence marketing, sales, and distribution under emergency use authorization. Their Safe Test Rona rapid test can confirm whether you're currently infected with the virus or whether you were infected before and didn't know about it. And all of this in 15 minutes with a 96.6 accuracy. Now, digging into the recent deals and announcements made by the company concerning the rapid tests, they have been approved to market, manufacture, and distribute the test in the US, EU, and Brazil, and are currently waiting on Health Canada approval for Canada. They have also arranged manufacturing and distribution agreements in Canada, the US, the EU, and Southeast Asia, as well as secured purchase orders in Canada, Brazil, and the EU. I think this will be huge as the next 6 months play out, as we are not on the back nine of this virus just yet, in my opinion. But think about all the places and instances these safe tests could come in handy. Example, airports, obvious use case. This will be a huge moneymaker for VST in my opinion, with potentially various contracts with any countries and airports. Now, this testing segment does have a window of opportunity, right? This is not going to last forever. However, what's cool is that they can use this testing segment for user acquisition for the next vertical, which I will talk about right now. Now we get into that next vertical, which I am most excited about as an investor personally, which is their VictorysSquare Digital Health segment. Now, VS Digital Health is all about 360-degree healthcare that offers smart, connected devices, at-home diagnostic tests, personalized digital guidance and monitoring, 24/7, 365 access to healthcare professionals, and next-day prescription delivery. The mission for the company is to make it easier for people with chronic conditions to stay healthier. Now, VS Digital Health has an exclusive distribution right for all VictorysquareHealth's diagnostic tests in North America, Europe, Middle East, India, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Now, VS Digital Health will be huge in my opinion. As I mentioned, the testing space has a window. However, VST can use VictorysquareHealth to populate their digital health segment. I'm also looking at discrete health within the VS Digital Health segment. Now, discrete health has a ton of potential and is launching in Q1 of 2021. If this pops off like I think it will, this stock could really see explosive returns. The focus with discrete health is on clinical issues that men and women do not feel comfortable going to a clinic for. For example, ED, hair loss, STDs, fertility testing, anything like that. Now think about what companies like Cloud, Well, and even J&H are focused on, whole patient-centric care. Now what VST wants to accomplish with discrete health is to eliminate the middleman essentially and hone in on this particular niche within the telehealth space, the quote-unquote embarrassing issues. So all you do is order a testing kit online, you get it shipped to your door, and you test yourself for STDs, testosterone levels, whatever you want, etc. There's tons of different options. You can then send it back to the lab, and if it comes back positive, then you can go speak to a doctor about it at that point digitally. I think there's a lot of value in this because, let's be real, I'm sure a lot of you can relate to those uncomfortable situations where you would rather just be, avoiding speaking to someone about it. Discrete health will be that solution. So to recap everything, VST has an experienced management team that clearly knows what they're doing and have a knack at picking out innovative companies in disruptive tech sectors. They have an impressive diversified portfolio in these disruptive tech sectors, all industries that I'm very bullish on, by the way, and they're currently severely undervalued at just a $30 million market cap right now. And that's just not reflective of their whole company and the projects that they have going on. It's just not. So what am I doing? Well, long story short, I will be opening a position this week. I think that at these levels, there's really only one way to go up if you're willing to hold for a couple of months. Right now, the stock is basically reflecting the VictorysquareHealth portion of the company only. Once the market wakes up to what VST is doing, and once VS Digital Health becomes more mainstream, I see investors jumping in and the stock growing quite rapidly. In my eyes, this is a home run, double your money type stock waiting to happen. So that wraps it up for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on victorysquaretechnologies and if you'll be investing into them. And guys, if this video brought you some value, then please smash that like button for me, as it really does help the channel a lot. And if you want more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell to be notified when any new video comes out. And please feel free to join the free Smart Money Squad Discord server. And until next time, take care and invest smart.